Welcome once again. Let's talk about fake token, feed every gorilla token getting listed on Binance. Now you go to Twitter, you can see that the process is going on. I think it's not going to be easy, but I believe this coin, there's a possibility that Binance can list fake token. Now remember, fake token are doing well in terms of social media engagement. They are really trying. They have great followers, and for fake token, the market cap is trading at over $25 million. Okay, now fake token has already been listed by Get.io, BKX, and some few top exchange. Now if they are working towards getting Binance to list this coin, now already fake token is already added on Binance watch lists. Now this year, the main thing they promise us this year is to get more exchanges that will list fake token before the end of 2023. Now Binance is one of the exchange that is on the list, that they're already working hard to get this coin listed on Binance, and also crypto.com, and another one is Kucoin. Now, and I also believe that with the Binance, which they are strongly pushing to get this coin listed on Binance, it's going to bring more value, it's going to bring more popularity, it's going to bring more rise, more market cap for fake token. Fake token is one of the best coins for me, and I believe this coin definitely is going to massively increase in price very soon. Now, if fake token eventually get listed on Binance, we are expecting between a market cap between over $100 million to $500 million within 3 months. Okay, now imagine fake token with the, right now they have about 9 zeros, deleting 1 0 or 2 0 within the first month or second month or third month. Binance eventually listed this coin, then fake token will be deleting between 3 or 4 zeros before the end of next year, 2024, which is about 100,000 rise, 100,000% price bump, which I believe is possible, or even over 100,000% price bump, because Binance is one of the exchanges that once they list a particular coin, you will see that coin increasing massively. Now fake token, to me, I think if they eventually get listed on Binance, this coin is going to really pump in price. Well, let's keep hoping that this is going to come to price. Let's hope that fake token will get listed on Binance exchange. Binance are the biggest crypto exchange in the world, and I believe with all the network they have, the #1 exchange in the world listing, if they get listed by Binance, that is the #1 exchange in the world, definitely we are expecting something higher, something good from it. So we hope before the end of this year that fake token, feed every gorilla, will eventually get listed on Binance. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.